Hey, what's up, everyone? It's me, Gary Chung, and I'm back for another trying haul video. So in this video, I'm going to unboxing my parcel. Sana naman hindi nyo narinig yung pokpok, no? Okay, so this is my parcel, and this is from Hot Diary. It's a waist. Ano nga yung waist, ano? Wait lang, guys. I don't know how to. Waist trainer daw. This is from Hot Diary. Hindi ko kaya yung kay Sunny. So, I will try this, this Hot Diary. Ganda naman yung Hot Diary, guys. It's a good quality naman and affordable. Dito. Parang may similarity din naman sila ng Sunny. Parang ginaya niya si Sunny. Okay, so this is it. Happy Diary. It's a Happy Diary. Thank you so much, Happy Diary, for our sponsor, Charles. Okay, so this is a concept. Okay, I'll try. Wait a minute. So we'll try if it's fit for me or not. Kasi magbalik alindog na tayo, guys. Para makapag-bikini na ulit. Okay. Huwag kang mag-alala, hindi siya naririnig. Okay. So this is a pancit. So we'll try. Para mas sexy. Sexy. More sexy. Pangit mo sila. Okay? Like this and like that. Parang maluwag pa nga eh. Maluwag. Oh, maluwag pa nga eh. Kung medium. Dapat gali small. Oh. Mas tala hindi siya. Oh. Wala na. Wabala. Oh, alam daw kasi sikip. Dapat ganyan pa yan siya eh. Dapat ganyan pa yan siya eh. Yan. Diba? Wala na. And, okay. Let's try this one. Oh, natamaan na at tandi. Okay. Okay. That is for today's video, guys. So sexy na kaya ako nito. Lumaki yung dede ko, oh. So that is for today's video. Bye, everybody.